Hi guys, today I wanted to share with you guys a quick video on how I wash my box braids. I believe I've had them in for about 3 to 4 weeks right now, so it's time for a wash. So I have a water bottle and I filled it with shampoo and water. So I put 1 part shampoo and 3 parts water, and I use the Emerge It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo. It's for cleansing and detangling, which is why I use that, because I used this a few weeks ago before I put these braids in, and I'll leave a card up above for that video, but I liked how the shampoo was in my hair. I mixed the shampoo and the water, and then I'm just going to shake it. So I'm going to start spraying, and I'm going to start off where my part usually is, so right here in the middle, and I'll go ahead and spray. And just be careful because it will run down your scalp. So I'll go ahead and rub my fingers down my scalp, massaging my scalp and really getting the shampoo in. And usually I use the balls of my finger and not my nails because I don't want to mess up my scalp too bad. But towards the front, I will use my nails because I know that there's more buildup in the front because I use my edge control and gel. And this really feels refreshing on my scalp. I like to do the rows individually to just keep track of which rows I've already touched, so I don't skip out on any rows. Now I'm going to go in and do the perimeter of my head, so this part here. I know it needs extra attention because of all of the product I put in the very front, but also being more careful because it is the front and this is the part that I want to look the neatest. So I'm going to gently rub it in and use my nails to kind of get out any buildup. So once I've done each row individually, I'll go back and just massage my whole head. I usually focus on the scalp, but I'll take some and put some on the length of my hair too.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out.
So I am back after taking my t-shirt off and just letting it air dry for about 30 to 40 minutes. I just went downstairs to make breakfast. So I'm going to moisturize my hair now. And in here I have my Garnier Fructis with active fruit protein, pure clean fortifying conditioner with aloe extract. And I love using this as a pre-poo. I'm using this today, but sometimes I would go in with my Cantu moisturizing lotion. Sometimes I think that using the conditioner diluted with water is easier because you don't have to force it to get into your hair. Like if you were to use this, I'll show you. If I were to use this moisturizing lotion, because my hair is in braids, you see the white residue? I have to do extra to get that into the braid. Whereas with this, I can just spray it. And since it has water in it, it goes. And it smells really good. But it's easier for my hair to get moisturized with this because there's also water in here. So it's more of a liquid formula than a creamy like the Cantu. And so I sprayed it down the length of my hair. Just so that everything is moisturized. And when I'm done with that, I will go in with my oil mixture. This has jojoba oil, a little bit of olive oil, and coconut oil in here. So I'm just gonna rub that into my hand and just squeeze it onto my braids. Oh, it also has Jamaican black castor oil. Reminded because of the smell. So I do that. And then I also put it on my scalp because my scalp gets really dry. I usually have to oil my scalp almost every other day or every few days. I try to go and try to do it once this week, but my scalp got so dry. And then I'm just going to finish putting it on down the length of my hair. And that is pretty much my wash day routine when I have a protective style in, specifically braids. When I have twists in, I don't really wash my hair because twists aren't as secure as a braid. So I feel like with twists, it's easier for those to unravel and for your hair to basically get ruined than it is for a braid. So when I have my twist, I actually just spray it with this. If you are interested in seeing how I take care and maintain my twist, I will leave a card up above and I will leave a link in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed. And also, I have a lot of frizziness here, and that's probably because I cut some of my hair. So I'll take some mousse and just put it on here to try to lay it down. And then I'll probably just put, after this, I'll probably just put a scarf on, and then since I'm not going nowhere, I'll just leave the scarf on for the day, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you enjoyed this content and want to see something similar to this in the future. And until my next video, bye.